Good day, pianist. Before I start my conduct competency, I already checked the completeness of tools, utensils, equipment, and facilities based on occupational health and safety standards and the test package given to me by the tester representative. I am now ready to conduct my competency assessment. Good day, candidates. May I request everyone to please rise up for opening prayer? Amen. You may now take your seats. My name is Lourdes de Rosales. I am your competency assessor for the qualification of BPPNC2. Here's my identification card as a proof that I am accredited test assessor. Also to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Adrian Sanchez, our tester representative, and Ms. Jasmine Abanes, our AC manager. You don't have to worry their presence. They are here to observe the whole assessment process and to check if the conduct is in accordance with the competency assessment procedure. They will not assess you. But before I start, let me check the attendance first. Please provide all the information needed and present to me your admission slip together with your valid ID once I call your name to check if the given name is the same person with the attendance sheet. Is that alright? Is that clear? Okay, let's start. Miss Anna, Miss Agarao, so I have here with me with all your accomplished form with self-assessment guide, and this is an indication that you can perform all the unit of competency enumerated in BPP and C2. So today is July 13. We are here at Ritual Colleges Incorporated to conduct competency assessment for the qualification of BPP and C2. And the purpose of this assessment is to test your knowledge and skills and to gain national certificate that you can use for your employee purposes. This assessment is to determine your competency. Qualification to be assessed are the basic, common, and core. For the core, we have prepare and produce bakery product, prepare and produce pastry product, prepare and present gâteau, torts and cakes, prepare and display petite fours, and the last one is prepare desserts. So, any questions? Is everything clear? Okay, thank you.